Hello friends, today we will go for SDN, that is Software Defined Networking. SDN is a networking architecture that separates the control plane from data plane and centralizes the network controller. So here we are having software defined networking. Software based SDN controllers maintain a unified view of the network and make configuration, management and provisioning simpler. So here we are having application layer, then we are having a control layer, then we are having network operating system, then we are having infrastructure layer. So in application layer we are having different network applications, then we are having some open APIs for northbound for controlling this. After the network operating system we are having infrastructure layer. So here simple packet forwarding hardware can be used in infrastructure layer. Here also we are having open flow, open APIs are also there. We are having some key elements of this SDN. Centralized network controller with decoupled control and data planes and centralized network controller, the network administrator can rapidly configure the network. Programmable open APIs. SDN architecture supports programmable open API for interface between SDN applications and control layers. Likewise, we are having standard communication interface, that is OpenFlow. SDN architecture uses a standard communication interface between the control and infrastructure layer. OpenFlow, which is defined by Open Networking Foundation. So here we can have the accepted SDN protocol for this southbound interface. Likewise, we are having NFV. Like SDN, we are having network function virtualization. So NFV is a technology that leverages virtualization to consolidate the heterogeneous network devices into industry standard high volume servers, switches and storage. So here we can have virtual network function. So in NFV we are having network function virtualization. So whatever functions of the network, those functions are virtualized. Network functions are there. Then NFV infrastructure is also there. In infrastructure we are having virtual compute, virtual network, virtual storage. So one virtualization layer is there above this compute, network and storage. So we are having some part for computations, we are having some networking part, we are having some storage part, but we have to make it as a virtual things. So it will become virtual compute, virtual network and virtual storage, and this is controlled by NFV management and orchestrations. So NFV is complementary to SDN. So we are having some key elements of NFV. Virtualized network functions. Virtualized network function is a software implementation of a network function which is capable of running over NFV infrastructure. NFV infrastructure is nothing but it includes compute, network and storage resources. For NFV management or orchestrations, NFV management and orchestration focuses on all virtualization specific management tasks and covers the orchestrations and life cycle management of physical and or software resources that support the network virtualizations and the life cycle management of these VNFs. So we are having this VNF, virtualized home networks. So we can have some virtualization. Gateways are also there, virtualized home gateways. NFV infrastructure is there. So we are having some home network. In home network we can have different devices like IPTV is there, voice over IP phone is there, laptops are there, tablets, smartphones. We can have single board computers that can be available. We can have washing machine, we can have a refrigerator, we can have another ACs, lamps. So all these things can be devices in our home. Now to connect this to external network we need some virtualized gateway. So we can have virtualized home gateway or NFV infrastructure that can be used to connect this home network with the internet or some another devices over internet. So this is about the NFV. Thank you very much.